In this video, I will show you how you can fix the incoming call not showing problem on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the quick settings. And the quick settings, just check if do not disturb mode is enabled or not. If it is turned on, just turn it off from here. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the phone app. And from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. From this menu, just tap on Settings. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit, then tap on Call Display while using apps. Now, if it is on small pop-up, just select Full Screen. Now after you do that, incoming calls will appear in full screen mode instead of a pop-up on the screen. After that, just go back. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit more and tap on Other Call Settings. Now, if the option for Hide Contacts Without Number is enabled, just disable it from here. After you do that, then just go to your home screen, then tap and hold on the phone app icon from here. Then just tap on the Info button. Now under the phone app settings, just tap on Permissions. And from here, just make sure you give all the necessary permissions to the phone app, including the permission to the contacts and accounts and call logs. After you do that, then just go back. Now under the phone app settings, just scroll down and tap on Storage. From here, just tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and select Delete. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the quick settings. From here, just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now after your phone finishes restarting, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down a bit more and tap on Reset. Now on this page, you will find the option for Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just tap on it. Now if you're using two SIM cards on your phone, just reset the mobile network settings for each SIM card separately. As you can see, we have currently selected SIM 2. Now just tap on Reset Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. Now just tap on Continue and select Reset. And by doing that, you'll reset the mobile network settings for the selected SIM card. Now just go back, then tap on the drop down arrow over here and select the other SIM card. Then just select Reset Settings. Now just follow the exact same steps and select Reset. Now after you reset the mobile network settings on both of your SIM cards, you will fix the incoming call not showing problem on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.